Hello, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. Happy New Year, everybody. Today, Wednesday, and start new years and 2025. So actually, before 2024, 2 months difficult years gone. So I will dream 2025 years. I will get and a better year. So everybody, so all work in our country and work your family. So together, inshallah, time pass good. So and everybody pray for me and pray for my family, pray for every uh, people in our country, and especially pray for our Bangladesh, because you know that 2024 2 months difficult, and bad government is gone. So Alhamdulillah, and she is gone, and welcome to 2025. So I will dream, inshallah I will get a better time. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Please subscribe my channel.